Hey y'all, it's Shay and it's time for another craft tutorial and giveaway. I'm actually really excited because this giveaway is being done by Koala paper, Koala GP. You know I talk about them all the time because I use their sticker paper. It's seriously the best of the best. I also use the A-Sub sublimation paper, which is right here that they sell. And you can get these on Amazon or at their website, Koala GP. They have this new holographic printable vinyl sticker paper. Now, not to be confused with like regular vinyl, this is what you can print out and make stickers with. And in this video, it is going to be a giveaway hosted by Koala GP themselves to get your own holographic sticker paper to try out for completely free, which is super cool. And I will give more information about that in a little bit later during the video, but for this one, we're gonna try it out first and see what we think about it. Now for this project, we are going to be decorating this bag for the baby shower. It's just a baby shower day. I showed you the cake topper I made. I made a little onesie on one of our previous lives with infusible ink. So if you wanna see that, I will leave that up here as well. But we are going to be making a big sticker for the baby shower to put on here. I haven't decided if I want to do it with cardstock yet or with just like regular sticker paper. I kind of think cardstock and making it 3D would be a really cute idea. So maybe I'll do that. We will see where it takes us. But first we need to create the design. So I went on Canva. I created a quick little design that I'm overlaying on the screen here. And we just need to import it into Cricut Design Space now. So as I was saying, I went ahead and I created some little cut files and stickers over on Canva, and I saved them as a PNG image with a transparent background. If you don't have Canva, I have tons of tutorials showing you exactly how you can do this for free. There are websites you can use, and I will leave that tutorial up there for the free version of how to create this. So once that's done and you have your PNG, or I guess you could use like a JPEG image too if you want, onto your computer, you're going to go on over to upload. Go ahead and select the one that you want. I'm going to select complex and continue. We're going to leave it as is and apply and continue. And then I want to click the print then cut image. I will explain why in a little bit, but essentially if you're picking this, it's going to cut out all around, and I want it to be all one big circle, which you will see shortly when I go ahead and I make a little offset for it. So I'm going to select it and add it to canvas. Now it's hard to see on this canvas, let me add the grid lines back, but this has no background. It's just a clear PNG. It's going to be floating about, and that's not what I want. I'm going to create a little offset, which is essentially that background layer. It creates like a border, a backing for it. This is my favorite way to really amplify the Cricut print and cut look. Now it does take a little bit because it is still in beta mode, and I don't believe it is on every type of Cricut Design Space. So for example, if you have it on your iPad versus your desktop, it might be a little bit different. I went ahead and I duplicated the image many times and shrunk them down to make some stickers. That way we could decorate things like the candles and some of the food, different things that we might want to decorate throughout while we're there. And then I'm going to be doing 2 large ones on cardstock as well. So we're going to cut those ones out first. I'm going to go ahead and select continue. I'm selecting send to printer. I'm making sure the correct printer is selected, and my personal preference is to remove bleed. Now I'm going to go ahead and press on print. I went ahead and loaded cardstock into my printer. Yes, you can use cardstock. I'm just using regular white cardstock. For this next step, I'm going to go ahead and grab some of this holographic paper. We're going to pull it out. Check out how beautiful that is. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, go ahead and open it up. So this is what a sheet of it looks like. My camera died, so it's much later in the day and many dollars later because I have a bunch of my Christmas gifts back there. We did some shopping. So now that my bank account is drained and empty, might have stopped at Michael's and bought more things that I didn't need but very much wanted. So now that my camera's charged, we can go ahead and try this sticker paper. So at first I was trying to do it with one method, but I think we're just going to try to do stickers directly on this and see what happens. So I already have my design done from earlier, so we're going to continue, and in the meantime I'm going to talk a little bit about the giveaway while I'm doing this. So let's go ahead and get started.
Alrighty, it's time to get into the rules for this giveaway. So this giveaway is in partner with Koala Paper, so it's actually a giveaway from them. So thank you so much, Koala Paper, for kindly offering to give this away to us crazy fun crafters in our Cricut community here. So a couple things to enter this giveaway. First of all, make sure you are subscribed down below. I would absolutely love to have you in our Cricut community. We share tons of craft projects here and just have some crafty fun, distract you from whatever's going on in life. And then also check out Koala Paper's channel. I'm going to leave it down below. Check it out. Now, to officially make sure you are entered in the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed, hit that like button on this video, and comment which Koala Paper product you're most interested in trying out. Are you thinking of trying this holographic sticker paper? Are you thinking something else? Let me know in the comments, and that's going to enter you in. Now, I do want to say, now that it's had time to dry, I'm going to go ahead and lay it on my mat. Make sure it's on there really good. My apple pie is on there. I was snacking while I was waiting for it to fully dry. Okay, feels like it's on there pretty good. And we're gonna see what our Cricut does. Is it gonna recognize these registration marks? I'll be pretty shocked if it does the first time, because Cricut struggles sometimes with print and cut. Actually, most of the time it does. Let's see what happens. The first thing I'm doing is just loading the paper into my printer. So I'm going to be putting this vinyl sticker sheet back there. Oh my goodness. I did not expect them to be this pretty. Wow. Okay, wow. Check out the quality of this. So I need to let this fully dry, so I'm not going to touch it too much. But look how vibrant these colors were. I was a little nervous because this is kind of like a darker gray silver tone, but these turned out stunning. So I'm gonna let it fully dry, and then we'll see how our Cricut does at trying to cut this out, okay? So we'll see what happens, but oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Now that it's had time to dry, I'm going to go ahead and lay it on my mat. Make sure it's on there really good. My apple pie is on there. I was snacking while I was waiting for it to fully dry. Okay, feels like it's on there pretty good. And we're gonna see what our Cricut does. Is it gonna recognize these registration marks? I'll be pretty shocked if it does the first time, because Cricut struggles sometimes with print and cut. Actually, most of the time it does. Okay, y'all, it stopped, so let's see what's going on. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. It actually recognized the registration marks. I'm shocked. This stuff's good. This stuff's good. Wow. I'm in shock. If you've done Cricut print and cut before, you know that glossy paper, I know I'm talking over this loud lady here, glossy paper is so hard for the Cricut to read the registration marks. So I thought this would be a whole new challenge with, you know, the bright little designs and the shimmer and the holographic. It just read it like a charm. This is why I love Koala paper. I don't have issues with Cricut print and cut. And the off chance that I were to have any issues, it's a really quick fix. Like, it's crazy. I'm shocked. Like, this is genuinely the first time I've ever tried this. Wow. She's beautiful. Let's pull it off the mat and see what she looks like. Unload your mat. I'm going to move my Cricut out of the way. As always, flip your mat upside down and peel away. Just check out how beautiful these are. The colors are vibrant, they're shiny, they're stunning. You can still read the text. I am mind blown by this stuff, and the fact that it's so affordable, obsessed. So definitely make sure you check it out and enter the giveaway. I am 100% going to make another order right now for this, because this is incredible and I need to get it for my crafty friends. So I'm going to go do that literally right now, but you can also get it on Amazon as well as on Koalagp. I do believe I have some type of discount code. I will leave it down below in the description if I do, and over on the screen here, but if you click on the link, it should have some type of discount, as well as the giveaway for yourself to get some free goodies. But I'm just, wow, obsessed, game changer, and I swear I'm never gonna go back to making normal stickers now. This is incredible. Okay, I'm gonna go play around with tons more stickers. I mean, I have 10 sheets, so 9 more sheets to go, baby. Wow. I'm in shock. Thank you for joining me today and finding out this amazing revelation with me. I'm so excited. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Last time I did a giveaway, there were some trolls that entered and started messaging and commenting some people pretending to be me. They used my picture and were saying, "You win, text this number." No, I will announce the giveaway winner on my Instagram story and my Instagram story only. I will not be commenting on your comment and asking you to text a random phone number or asking you to give your personal information to me through there. I will be posting it on my Instagram story, and I will also post it here on my community page so you can see. But to verify and confirm that it's you, check out my Instagram story. This giveaway ends on the date you can see on the screen here, so you can go ahead and enter until then, and I will be announcing the winner shortly after that. Now, I did want to say that this giveaway is only for North America, so United States and Canada. This is just for this specific giveaway because it is being done by Koala Paper, and those are the only countries they can ship to at this time. So thank you so much again, Koala Paper, for kindly offering to do this giveaway for my audience. They specifically wanted to do it for you to give back, which I thought was absolutely amazing and so thoughtful of them. So I'm really excited that some of you are going to be able to try out this vinyl holographic sticker paper. So exciting.